Our planet, Earth, is a marvel of its own. Its forests and the wildlife there are part of the reason why the Earth is quite spectacular. From dense rainforests in the Amazon to lush woodlands of Africa, they're home to some of the planet's most captivating and diverse wildlife. Lyrebirds with their mimicry skills, fireflies with their synchronized flashing and poison dart frogs with their extraordinary colours. Animals inhabiting these forests display some exhilarating activities. Join us as we delve into the exciting animal behaviours in the most enchanting forests of our planet, uncovering the wonders of nature's most intricate designs. Number 10. Fireflies in Southeast Asia and America. Some species of fireflies can synchronize their flash patterns. Called synchronous fireflies, they live only in a few places on the planet, such as Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines, and some parts of America. To see one of the most dramatic synchronized firefly light shows, you have to head towards the Great Rocky Mountain National Park, on the border of Tennessee and North Carolina. This synchronized flashing is caused during their mating season, in which thousands of male fireflies gather and emit rhythmic light pulses in perfect unison, creating a spectacular view and illuminating entire trees. Number 9. Leaf-tailed gecko in Madagascar. They are the masters of disguise. Preying on spiders, insects and worms, the leaf-tailed geckos can only be found in the tropical forests of Madagascar. With toes containing millions of microscopic plates, enabling them to move effortlessly on smooth surfaces, leaf-like flattened tails and skin similar to the bark of a tree in colours like black, brown, green and tan, make it easier for them to disguise themselves. Another unique feature of these geckos is their ability to mimic the cry of a child and the sounds of leaves in the breeze, letting them get closer to their prey. Number 8. Arctic tern from Arctic to Antarctic. Migration is common among birds, but who has the longest migration route? The answer would be the Arctic tern, which covers between 44,000 to 59,000 miles per year, starting from the Arctic Circle to Antarctic. Their breeding grounds are the Arctic. However, for a significant period of a year, they spend travelling between the poles. Scientists estimate that over the course of their approximately 3-decade lifespan, Arctic terns travel a distance equivalent to travelling to the moon and back 3 times. Number 7. Bowerbirds in Australia and Papua New Guinea. Inhabiting rainforests, shrublands and eucalyptus and acacia forests in Australia and Papua New Guinea, the bowerbirds made themselves a name through their exceptional bower building skills and seduction techniques displayed by male birds. While some male bowerbirds mate with several female bowerbirds, some male birds don't find any during the mating season. When they build the best looking bower structure and perform the best mating dance, finding a female mate is a successful endeavour. Number 6. Pygmy marmoset in South America. The smallest monkeys on the earth, fitting in a human palm, pygmy marmosets, are found in the Amazon rainforest in South America. While the body length ranges from 12 to 15 centimeters, their tails are longer than their bodies. The pygmy marmosets have claw-like nails which help them climb trees and scratch several holes in their barks, returning later to consume the gums that seep out. That's one of their main meals. They also eat fruits, flower nectar and spiders. They are also agile and quick, allowing them to navigate the forest canopy with ease, avoiding their predators. Number 5. Honey guide in Africa. Going into the forest looking for honey, it would be rather convenient if there was a guide that leads you to the exact locations where honeycombs are, and that is honey guide's job. They can learn the calls and whistles of the humans nearby. Using those sounds, they actively seek out human attention and lead them to beehives. Once the hive is broken and honey is collected, the honey guides feed on leftover beeswax and larvae. They can be found in several countries in the African continent. Number 4. Poison dart frogs in Central and South America. Native to tropical rainforests of Central and South America, the poison dart frogs can be categorized as pretty but deadly. Their skins are colourful but full of venom, making them one of the most poisonous amphibians in the world. However, they are not predatory because their bright coloured skins act as a warning to predators to get around them. Uncommon among frog species, the poison dart frogs are mostly active in the daytime. While most species of poison dart frogs aren't as poisonous, the ones which are can be highly lethal. Number 3. lyrebird in Australia. In the forests near the Queensland-New South Wales border in Australia, birdwatchers can find this great mimic of a bird. Their name is given because of superb lyrebird's tail feathers that look like a lyre when it's spread out. The reason why they're well known is because of their ability to mimic any sound around them, be it sounds made by other animals or humans, or even sounds of horns, alarms and chainsaws. Lyrebirds can mimic it all. Their mating rituals are quite extraordinary too. Male lyrebirds would clean a patch of wood for themselves, spread their tails and start singing while performing complex dances. Number 2. Leafcutter ants in Amazon. Leafcutter ants live on the forest floor and grow fungus in their underground nests. These ants cut and transport leaves back to their nests, where they chew them into a pulp to create a substrate for the fungi to grow. While ants make sure that fungal gardens are tended, fungi provide a nutrient-rich food source for ants. Leafcutter ants can be found in Latin American and Caribbean islands. Number 1. Namib desert beetle in Namibia. The Namib desert beetle has developed a unique method to collect water in one of the driest environments on Earth. The beetle's back is covered with tiny bumps that are water attracting. During the early morning fog, the beetle climbs to the top of a dune and tilts its body into the breeze, allowing the fog to condense into droplets on its back. Then, these droplets roll down to their mouth parts, providing a way to hydrate itself. In these lush forests, animals have evolved remarkably, and survival strategies that not only showcase the complexity of nature, but also highlight the intricate balance of ecosystems. That's it for today's video. For more geography-related content, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.